Goeiedag, good day. Ek hoop alles gaan goed. I hope everything is going well. Die woorde wat ons vandag gaan oefen, hou met die tema verband groente. The words we're going to practice today relates to the theme vegetables. Nou, ons gaan hierdie 2 keer oefen. En elke keer gaan jy die woorde na my sê. Now we're going to practice it twice. And every time you're going to say the words after me. Are you ready? Okay. Aardappel, ei, pampoen, wortel, ertjies, beet. Baie mooi, well done. Ons gaan dit nog 1 keer oefen. We're going to practice it one more time. Are you ready? Okay. Aardappel, ei, pampoen, wortel, ertjies, beet. Baie mooi, well done. Ek hoop jy het 'n lekker dag verder. I hope you have a lovely day further. Baie dankie en totsiens.